Good morning, folks. I wasn't going to do this today. I've been lazy this week. My 3 months of videos every other day kind of went south, but there's reasons for that. Lots of guitar. Lots and lots of guitar. I have another YouTube. You know what? I'm going to link it up below. Why didn't I think of that below? I'm going to link my second YouTube channel up below, so you can see where I invest most of my time and energy. Videos are easy to make. Learning music on guitar, man, it takes hours. Why does anybody do it? I have no idea. Stupid. Anyways, listen. Addiction. That's the problem. Addiction. Goes along with my gambling, my methamphetamine, and my narcissism addictions. Anyways, woke up to this. Insert clip here. After weeks of nice weather. Snow on the ground this morning, but you know what? We've had like 2 straight days of tons of rain. But it's good because here in Canada we salt the roads, and I got nice bicycles. I don't have a lot of stuff in life, but the stuff I do have is nice. Nice. Except for my cameras. Anyways, after they salt the roads in the winter, all winter, to keep people from slipping on sidewalks, they dump tons of salt. Insane amounts of salt all over everything. So if you ride your bike too early, that salt gums up the works, rusts everything. So I have to wait till we get a lot of good rain, 2 or 3 big rainstorms before I take my bike out. But I think this weekend may be the weekend we can start rocking and rolling. In the used world, this video is not on my big fancy camera. This is being recorded on my Canon SX610 HS. A little crappy point and shoot. That's all you need, though. You know what? Nobody gives a crap about image quality. So keep your fancy cameras. I'll walk around with these things. On my used audio recorder, which today we're trying mono. Normally this thing's surround sound. Today we've got it one speaker facing towards me. We'll see how good that sounds. Ironically, when I'm doing the mono mic on this, I have to have the control panel facing away. The one problem with this mic, it's like 2012, so it's got no apps. It's got no way to operate it remotely, which is kind of weird in this day and age. But you know what? Good mic, no problem. In thrift store finds today, I stumbled upon this. In thrift store finds this week, stumbled upon this. Just a couple of bucks, man. This book, Gnomes. It's like my entire childhood is encompassed in this book. Cool art. Cool art. It's like a fictional account of gnomes' lives, but really kind of beautiful, really kind of Rembrandt-esque artwork. Anyways, that book and me, we go way back. This is the 30th anniversary edition. Makes me feel old, but it's by a guy called Reen Portfleet and Will Huygens. Go get it. In other news, my sister came by last weekend for the first time in 2 years. I think she said 2 years. I don't think it's been 2 years, but she came by. So family got together, partied hard at the table here. But also what I tend to do with my friends as an act of loyalty towards me. You know, mafia, you must kiss the ring. Towards me, to show your loyalty to me, you must come out and feed chickadees. So I thrust my sister into that uncomfortable decision where she had to come out and feed chickadees. She has proven her loyalty to me. She is now accepted back in the family. And this is our big adventure with the chickadees. Please enjoy. That's it. Maybe next week I'll get back to you, maybe not. Enjoy the guitar playing on my other channel. Enjoy the chickadees. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your biking. And I'll talk to you later. Peace.
know about that. I may disagree with that theory. Cinema gold here. You got your choice. Feed the chickadee or help your wife.